another video, and today we are going to be unboxing cars again. And the first one we're going to be opening is the Rodzilla. So this is the Rodzilla, and what I like about it is like the head can move, and like it's like a dragon, and there's this fake gold there. And the next one we're going to be opening is a BMW. So this is a BMW. What I like is that it's a motorcycle and it's black and white. Oh, and I like that it has the V-Buck symbol on it from Fortnite. And the last one we're going to be opening is a Lamborghini Hurricane. At least that's how I say it. What I like about this is it's orange and it's a Lamborghini Hurricane, and it's a Lamborghini Hurricane. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button and turn on the post notifications and subscribe. Bye.